अस्सलाम वालेकुम प्यारे हुजूर।
वालेकुम सलाम।
मेरा सवाल ये था, should girls be allowed, should girls go live abroad for around 3 months because it's recommended by their program?
Should what?
Live abroad, like a different mulk mein, because it's recommended by their program. Like, is that a good? Is that okay for girls to do?
इसके सवाल को डिसाइफर करे कोई करना तो हाँ हाँ
कि अगर लड़कियों को बाहर कहीं जाना पड़े पढ़ाई के सिलसिले में या प्रोग्राम के सिलसिले में 3 महीने के लिए किसी दूसरे मुल्क में, तो क्या लड़कियां अलाउड है?
If you are a university student and your parents permit you to let you go, then you are, even if you go there, make sure that you are living with girls, huh? Not in a joint hostel of boys and girls, right? तो फिर जा सकती हो. There are quite a number of girls who are studying in China, doing their medicine or other courses. Even in Europe, Eastern Europe, there are some students living in France or UK or Germany and pursuing their studies in Eastern European countries. ठीक है?
Jazakallah.
If your parents trust you, you can. If they do not know.